3, 2, 1. Vámonos. Aloha a todos.
Aloha! Who are we?
Jose y...
Z, and we are wannabe farmers because, well, currently we don't have a farm, but we are working on a farm. And what is something that happens occasionally when you're working on a farm? You have too much of something growing in your garden. Usually it's zucchinis. I don't know about any gardener who ever grew zucchini who thought I have too little zucchini. Usually people have way too much zucchini. But we are working on a hydroponic farm, Jose and I are, and what do we have too much of this week, Jose?
Today tenemos un extra basil.
We have a ton of basil. We took home so much basil. We've got 3 bowls right here. Plus we already made a batch of pesto.
Pesto!
And that's what we're going to be making up today. So we're going to show you a quick recipe to make pesto.
Okay.
Do you love pesto?
I love it.
I know you do. He will eat a lot of pesto. So here are some of the beauties with this pesto. First of all, I am not a pine nut fan. I don't really like pine nuts. So we are going to substitute what kind of nut, Jose?
Tenemos macadamia?
Macadamia nuts instead of pine nuts, because I'm not really a pine nut fan. So that's going to be one Hawaiian ingredient we're going to add. What is the ingredient we used in the first batch that was different? Did you remember what I used?
Avocado?
I used an avocado in the first batch. So somebody said instead of oil to try using an avocado. So I made one batch with avocado and we are going to taste test it against a regular batch. So there are 5 ingredients in this pesto. The first ingredient is 2 cloves of garlic. It's in here. 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which is also in there.
Oh.
Now, a secret when you're making pesto or anything with garlic, if you're not wanting the super strong garlic flavor, is to soak it in your lemon juice first. So we have soaked our garlic in the lemon juice. And you know where I learned that was making guacamole.
Perfecto.
Yeah, I do make a good guacamole, don't I?
Always.
We'll have to do a video about that, but not today. Today we're making pesto. Okay, then you want a half a cup of macadamia nuts. There they are. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then 1 bowl like this of pesto, or of basil.
Almost, pero no.
Oh, I was almost correct. But we're going to, use, it calls for 2 cups of basil, but we have so much basil. Now, the beauty with pesto, this is what I love about pesto, is you can make pesto today. You can put it into ice cube trays and freeze it up. Wrong drawer. Freeze it up in your freezer, and you have
Ice pesto. No.
Right, you have iced pesto. Yeah, you do. You have ice cubes of pesto, which you can thaw and use anytime. It makes for a super quick meal, and Jose loves when I surprise him with pesto. No, you can't eat that. Okay, so here we go. So into your food processor, oh, I love food processors. You can use a blender too, but a blender is probably going to get your ingredients a little more liquefied than you want. So I prefer this. So
Más perfecto.
in goes the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 cloves of garlic.
Ooh.
Then we put in the half a cup of macadamia nuts. All right. And then we're going to put in
Basil.
basil, right? Not pesto, basil. We're making pesto, we're putting in the basil.
Basil, pesto.
It's about the same. Oh, it already smells amazing. Jose's favorite part about cooking is eating. All right, so we're going to put all of this in, and then I'm going to put in the olive oil, a 1/4 cup. You can do more if you want your pesto to be a little bit creamier. You can do less if you want it to be a little less creamy. We're not big oil users, which is why I tried making it with the avocado, because my friend said it was very similar if you used avocado, so we tried that. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. Put the lid on, and then I'll pulse it a couple of times. Get it started, and then I'm gonna let it go. Oh, that smells amazing. Woo! I'm so excited.
¿Por qué?
Because I'm about to eat some basil.
Oh.
Okay, so let's get these out of the way. So now Jose's favorite part, we are going to taste test the pesto. Hold on.
¿Qué es eso? Cut.
Let's try this again. Jose's favorite part, we are going to taste test the pesto. The first one we're taste testing is the one we made with avocado.
Mucho sabor aguacate.
You can really taste the flavor of the avocado in here. It really gives it a mild flavor. I really like it. What do you think?
I wanna know.
You want it now? Okay, we're gonna eat it in a minute. Hold on, though. We need it. Now we're gonna taste test the one that we just whipped up right here. Go ahead. Okay, here. All right, are you ready?
Ding. Tiene un sabor más a basil.
I actually like the avocado one better than I like this.
Yeah.
All right, so that is how to make a simple pesto, simple vegan pesto. And now we are gonna put it over pasta. And my personal preference, that's a lot to say, my personal preference for pasta is angel hair pasta. So we made up some angel hair pasta in advance.
Okay, ¿qué tenemos aquí? Pasta.
We have angel hair pasta. We are going to use the
Pesto.
pesto with the avocado. And then I have diced up some sun-dried tomatoes that were came in olive oil. And we're gonna put on top a little bit of Parmesan cheese to top it off.
Ta-da!
All right,
Okay.
it's the final test of the pesto over pasta. Are you ready? Here we go.
Perfect. Wow.
I'm gonna tell you what, I hope they have too much basil at work again next week.
Me too. Wow.
This is incredible. Are you loving it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, this has been our video of wannabe farmers.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wait, you can't even finish eating for just our closing? No?
Oh, es muy bueno. Very good.
And we hope you enjoyed today's video.
Yeah.
We are
Jose y
Z, and you can catch us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. And if you like this video, we would love if you'd click the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you in the future as we walk the journey to our new farm.